Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Once again, it's your girl Shula with more videos on home decor and home organization. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how you can apply these wall tiles I got from the Dollar Tree. Also, I will be giving you my honest review, what I think about these wall tiles. So if that is something you're interested watching today, stay tuned. So to apply this Dollar Tree wall tiles, you will start by cleaning your walls. Make sure that your walls are clean and also make sure that you let them dry before applying the wall tiles. So the Dollar Tree I go to had this three different varieties of wall tiles. So I would go for the middle one because it's almost similar to my countertop. Before we proceed with this video, if you are new to this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. If you enjoyed this video today, please do not forget to check out my playlist and also do not forget to hit on that like button. This will go a long way to promote my channel. And finally, do not forget to be a member of this family by clicking on the subscribe button. So my camera was kind of blurry here, but what I did was simply peeling off the transparent sheet behind this wall tile and applying it to the wall. As you can see, it is easy to remove. It is safe for rentals. It did not destroy my wall, so I am liking this so far. if you were wondering what this wall tile was made of, there you go, it was made of plastic. So my honest review on this self-adhesive wall tiles from the Dollar Tree, it's that I think it's really easy to apply to your wall. It's not complicated at all, and this helps changes the look of your wall. This is inexpensive, and towards the end of this video you would see how it just made this space in my kitchen look different. So I think I'm liking it so far. Also, I have had it on my wall for like a week now. It is still on the wall. It's not falling apart. So I think the adhesive, it's really good, and also it does not destroy the wall paint. It's rental friendly, which means you can put it on and also remove it whenever you want. So let me show you the before pictures of how my kitchen area used to look like. As you can see, when I cook, everything splatters on the wall, and it's so difficult to clean. But after putting this wall tile, it made it so easy to clean after cooking. So this is how basic my kitchen used to look like, but after applying this self-adhesive tiles from the Dollar Tree, I think it looks much better. So let me know in the comment area what you think, if you're going to be trying this. So I am going to be giving a big thumbs up to this wall tiles because it's inexpensive and it looks really good. The only thing I didn't like about it is if you have to cut it, because it's plastic, it doesn't look too good. But if you don't have to cut it, I think it looks perfect. All right, friends, so we have come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to click on that like button, and also do not forget to click on that subscribe button. I love you for watching. Bye bye.